Hello, Quentin Brown here from Brisbane, Australia, just doing a quick video on the run for you. I understand that when you open up the USB stick, this is what it's going to look like, and it can seem a bit daunting at the very beginning because there's a lot of information here. There's over 500 videos, over 60 tutorials, and so I just thought I'd quickly jump on and tell you about how to get started. Now this top section here is what we call our foundations course. So basically we go through all the different things you need to do to set up your business. So I would just really encourage you to go through this area. How to set up your marketing plan, your business plan, how to do your research, your hosting, websites, etc. Because basically that's your business in a nutshell. This is like a web page, and as you can see, the main things on here are graphics and text, and then you're going to find media in the back end. If you can master those three things, then obviously you've probably done 80% of the work. The second section here, WordPress videos. Now we use WordPress to build all our websites. We use it to build all the websites for our customers. We just used one theme because we don't have to then keep learning how it works. So we just pick one good theme and run with it. And usually it's one we can manipulate around a fair bit. And we'll talk about those later. The last part is the graphics. So if you don't have Photoshop, we show you how to get an old copy. We got our copy of Photoshop from a garage sale, and we were able to get the license, etc., and register it. We also show you how to use non-Photoshop, a little program called Pixlr. And the reason we use Pixlr, which is an online editor, is because it has layers. So once you learn how to use layers and you understand a little bit of Photoshop, you could pretty well do any of the graphical work you would want to for either a product, a website, etc. So those are the three major tutorials you want to go through and get them under your belt, practice, do some practice, etc. S3 storage is probably not as important at this stage, but later on when you want to host big files or stream video files like we do, then that's where you want to go. And so then what happens is your business will start to grow and you'll want to branch out and do different things. We try to put in everything we use in our business at the current time, and we probably have about 10 different types of businesses going. We do websites, we do hosting, we produce ebooks and magazines, we do a little bit with software, we do marketing, we do social marketing. Just recently we've started doing cybersecurity. Obviously we do e-commerce, and we use all these things for ourselves, and we also use them for our customers. Then down in the extras here, we just have some extra things that we've used. So crowdfunding, membership sites. You can access the conference room and the forum, and learn how to hire a VA, and also a little bit about QR codes. So they're extra things we do. Now I've just added this down the bottom, coding for your kids if they want to start learning how to code. Now I got this to help my son, who's a qualified teacher, and he actually teaches these courses in his classroom. So he's the one who gave me all this information. So then if you want to ask any questions, we have the two different rooms here. We have a conference room where we'll do webinars and teach you any new things we learn. Plus you can go to the forum, and you'll obviously need to be logged in so you can access them. And here we have all the forums. They're in the same level as the USB, so you can actually ask questions in the individual forum areas or down here for a general one. We've cleared it all out and we're starting afresh, so be all nice and new when you get in there. In the conference room, again, it'll open up in a new window and you can come in here and we can chat live. So it's just a matter of putting in your name, clicking OK. If we get too many people, you'll also add the password. You just type down the bottom here It will come up here and it will attach your name. If you want to talk, you click on the talk now, and then when you finish talking, click on it again to hang up, and we can talk one-on-one. The other place to go is to our blog, and I'd really encourage you to sign up here. Just put in your email address. We'll post in here that we're going to do a webinar and sort of what we're talking about, and so you'll get that in your email, and then you can come and join. So that's how we do it. Then we also have a Facebook page. As I said, if it gets too crowded, we'll make it that you have to be approved to get in, but basically you can come and chat to us and talk to us in here. And we also have your account, which we'll set up for you when you buy the stick, and it will look like this. And here they all are again online. So you'll quite likely get this before you get the USB, and basically has the same tutorials as on the stick. Some of them have a little bit more information because we have obviously got a lot more room. That's it, and anytime you want to go back to the beginning, just click on the table of contents and you can then go into another set of tutorials. Many of them will work like this, where you can play the first tutorial in your browser. Otherwise you'll just be able to click on these and they'll start up. Because I've done them all in MP4, it'll work on a Mac, a PC or a Linux computer, and I suggest that you use Chrome, as it will just handle all the videos and everything perfectly. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the training. As you can see, there's a lot there. Don't get confused by it all. Just take it one step at a time. If you get stuck, ask any questions and we'll be more than happy to help you. This is Quentin Brown from Brisbane, Australia, saying thank you for buying this program, and we hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to working with you in the future.